Hello everyone, this is Javier, the tax terminator, live from Panama City. And we've already talked about how Panama is great for taxes. We've already talked about how Panama is easy to emigrate to and how it's an overall wonderful destination to relocate to with your family and a great place to move your business to. However, today I want specifically to show you one of the best properties here in Panama City, to show you how you can live like a king, as Andrew Henderson would say, here in the heart of Panama City. Living like you were in North America, having a Miami lifestyle, but with 0% tax potentially, and with far cheaper cost of living. And today I'm going to be joined by Heidi, our excellent guest. So today I'm joining her once again so she can show us the property. How are you, Heidi?
I'm great. How are you, Javier? Thank you for having me.
No, thank you for having us. And this is really a wonderful property. I'm just amazed here. We're by the pool. We have the Pacific Ocean, the skyline. What can you tell us about this property just off the bat?
We are right now in Ocean Reef, which is paradise in the heart of the city. Do you feel like you're at the beach? But you do have your little beach here, but you're literally in the heart of the city.
It's wonderful. So people don't realize that we have this little piece of paradise right here, but actually if we take the car and we drive out 5 minutes, we're in the heart of the city.
Absolutely.
With the banks, the businesses, like the heart of the financial heart of Panama.
And with Punta Pacifica Realty, we focus on luxury real estate. A lot on Ocean Reef Islands, in Costa del Este, Santa Maria, Balboa Avenue, and Old City, Casco Viejo as well.
That's great. That's great. And so can you tell us a bit more about Ocean Reef specifically? Because we did touch on it a bit during our interview. We said it was very much akin to like Fisher Island in Miami. It's a private island. What can you tell us about how the Ocean Reef ecosystem works?
Sure. Ocean Reef Islands, there are two man-made islands with a total of about 19 hectares, one a little bit larger than the other. They connect with a bridge in the center, yacht club, which is under construction right now, and then we have a marina with about 150 moorings.
All right.
On the island there, it's low density.
Okay.
Residential.
So very few people live here.
Correct. In total, once we finish all of the construction, which we're nearing the end, there will be about 500 families that live on the island.
Awesome. But for a fraction of the price that you'd find in North America,
Absolutely,
right?
which is the nice part.
The best part. So we're going to check out the amenities of this wonderful building. Then we're going to go up to see this wonderful apartment. And Heidi's going to tell us a little bit about how much it costs, how difficult it is to close a property deal here in Panama. So without further ado, let's check it out. So we were outside by the pool overlooking the beautiful Pacific Ocean. And now we're in a very special area. This is a common area of the buildings. This is a social area, sort of like almost like a first-class lounge.
Exactly.
Yeah. So it's very nice. You can have, and then there's a wine cellar right over here. You wanted to show us, right?
So if you want to put your wine down here so you don't have to run up to your apartment when you need it, it's right here.
So I could almost have like a wine tasting in here.
Absolutely.
Okay, this is fantastic. And so you can bring your wine collection. You can have 2 or 3 bottles here. Obviously, you share this with the other residents, right?
Correct.
This is wonderful. And so this leads you into a kind of like a lobby you have here for the building. So maybe you can come here, read a book.
There's access to get to the pool here as well. So you can come out here, you're in the pool area.
So on our way to the movie theater, Heidi is basically showing us this awesome co-working space. This building really just speaks to me for a digital nomad or maybe somebody who runs an online business portfolio. Yeah, this is an awesome game room right here. So, again, so maybe you come here, you unwind. There's a big Monopoly board there just for you guys to know. I absolutely love Monopoly. I was telling Heidi about that. There's a pool table. I think this is absolutely wonderful. It's literally like living in a sort of country club environment where you have everything you need right here. All of this, the pool, the game room, the co-working space, the wine bar, everything is inside your own building.
Correct. Here, for example, you pay a monthly maintenance fee. Included in that monthly maintenance fee is the maintenance of the common areas, the use of the common areas, so you have access to everything.
So it's sort of like an HOA or a club membership fee
kind
of thing. Okay, interesting.
And then you have access to the amenities on the island as well, which are numerous. Living on Ocean Reef, you have access. There's various courts, there's tennis courts, there's multi-use courts, basketball, you have paddle. You have the parks, you have a restaurant on the premises, there's an Olympic-sized swimming pool.
And are these areas dog-friendly, for example?
Very, yes.
Very dog-friendly. So my 4-legged best friends, they can come down here, they can have a meeting with their dad, everything okay?
Correct.
This is the gym. I'm not the most pro-gym kind of guy, but
It's very well equipped. It's a very well equipped gym for the amount of apartments that are in this building. If you come down, you're pretty much likely going to be by yourself with all of this. So.
Oh, this is great. So you don't even have to pay for an additional gym membership if you buy an apartment in a place like this.
Correct.
This is the cinema. You see, it says cine, so movie theater, cinema. It definitely feels very authentic when you walk in here. You really feel like nobody's gonna bother you outside. The movie doesn't bother anyone outside, right?
Correct.
So if you're with your kids and they wanna watch the latest Marvel movie or you wanna watch a classic with your significant other, this is the place you wanna come.
Yep.
This is fantastic. Wow.
Cozy.
This is very,
You
very
can bring
cozy.
down your
drinks?
your wine from the wine cellar in the other area. It's
Fantastic. You could even have a romantic date night.
You could.
You could. This is
Yeah.
awesome. And my understanding is you can also get massages, right, Heidi?
Yes, here they have a massage room.
Okay. So everything is right here.
They don't have masseuses on the premises. You hire your masseuse.
Okay.
They come, and then instead of doing it in your apartment, you have this space.
Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we've made it up to the apartment. We're here with Heidi once again, showing you this wonderful property. And, you know, it's customary to show you first the living room, the kitchen, but really I could not pass up the opportunity to begin with this beautiful terrace, right, Heidi? I mean, we saw this and I just fell in love.
It's pretty outstanding, yes.
It is pretty outstanding. So this is the Pacific Ocean right here, and you have all this peace and tranquility, right? You have space for your pets, you have space for a good summer kitchen, your barbecues. You are right next to the Panama skyline right here. This is downtown Panama, this is Punta Pacifica, right? This is Paitilla, this is all that area. And this is where the business happens, right? Over there you have El Tornillo, which is the iconic building in the Panama skyline. And so this is definitely the place to be if you want relaxation, you want isolation, but at the same time you want to be 5 minutes away from the city, right?
Correct. You want to go to Costa del Este. It's a 7-minute drive. It looks like it's far away, but once you get on the corridor, 7 minutes and you're there.
So what kind of property are we going to show people? What is the price range we're going to be looking at once we walk through those doors and they actually see the apartment that comes with this wonderful terrace? Because, you know, normally it's the reverse. Like I would say the wonderful terrace that comes with the apartment, but in this case, I think I have to make an exception.
This one is going for just under 1.6 million.
Just under 1.6 million. So think about this wonderful terrace. Think about what it would cost to have this terrace and this view in a place like South Florida, and compare that to what she just said, 1.6 million. I mean, if this isn't luxury living for pennies on the dollar, obviously in relative terms, comparing to North America, then I don't know what is. And remember, if you're working here and you're making your money in very specific ways and you have the right tax planning, you could potentially be paying 0% tax, 100% legally. So without further ado, let's take a look at the property. All right, guys, so now we're inside the luxury apartment I wanted to show you. As I say, it's the apartment that comes with the terrace. So Heidi, you were telling me that if we mix in the terrace with the indoor space, the apartment is actually slightly larger. So how much is it in total when you include both spaces?
Okay, the total square meters of the apartment is 365.
So 365 square meters. We saw the wonderful terrace, view of the Panama skyline, and right now, this is where the living room would be, right? So
correct. This is a sort of living room, entertaining area. There's another one downstairs that could be more the family den. So yes, this would be the living room.
Right. So this is where the missus would come and would bring all the nice furniture and
Dining
would decorate.
room, you have your kitchen here, dining room, living room, and then an additional one downstairs.
So this is where you entertain your friends, where you do all the wonderful dinner parties, where you get your private chef can come in and cook something for you here. Here you have the kitchen. So I absolutely love it. You've got your island in the middle. Is this marble?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome.
In Panama, it's very typical to have gas, and that's included in your monthly maintenance fee. So you don't pay additional for the gas or the water. No, you pay your monthly maintenance fee, and yeah, you have included the use of the common areas. You have your security 24/7, both at the main gate and here.
What I sort of call like the club membership, so to speak. All right, so now we're gonna head down to the lower level of the apartment, and this is supposed to be the area that is more like private for the family, right?
It's the bedroom area.
It's the bedroom area.
The cozy area where you have your 3 bedrooms, each with ensuite bathroom. You have your living space here.
Okay,
It's
so this is more
living room,
like
family room.
So this is more like a family room type arrangement, and then upstairs is your living room. All right, so this is the master bedroom, right? You were saying, and so we have a direct access to the terrace over here.
There's a door here that has access to the main terrace.
And you have ocean views as well from here. Okay, fantastic. And so this is a pretty decent size, not huge, but very practical, right? And then here you also have a wonderful walk-in closet,
Nice walk-in closet, which continues on to the ensuite bathroom, which is a very good size.
Very nice. Is this marble too? Or?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. All of the flooring in the apartment is marble.
This is really, really awesome. All right, guys, so we just took a look at the master bedroom, and now we're gonna head out to the other bedrooms where the kids would be. So what can you tell us about the kids? Because obviously, Panama, family friendly. Panama, we wanna come here, we want families, we want numerous children. So what do we have for the kids?
Okay, coming down the hall, you have your guest bathroom here.
Right here.
You have your closet space, linen closet, most likely. Here on the right, you have the laundry room.
Okay, perfect.
And then you have 2 bedrooms, basically copy-paste. So you have your walk-in closet and your ensuite bathroom.
All right, so the kids each have their own bathroom. So they're not fighting over the bathroom. That's very important.
Yes, each bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom.
And they have views of the marina, which is absolutely wonderful. And they can actually see a big part of the skyline. There's El Tornillo is right there, like the iconic skyline of Panama. You can have it right there.
That's the advantage of this apartment, and the height that it is, you have incredible views.
Right. All right, folks, so here you have it, a wonderful, 3-bedroom, 2-terrace, 365 square meter property. So you can truly live like an aristocrat. You can live the millionaire lifestyle here in Panama, right? This is the top quality.
Yes, it doesn't get better than this.
All right, this is awesome. And so what we wanted to show you with this property and many other properties we're going to show you down here in Panama is that if you want tax friendliness, if you want quality of life, you can find that outside of North America. And to even showcase it to you, we have a Canadian expat showing you these properties, telling you what it's like to live here on the ground. So if you're in North America, if you're in the UK, and you're worried that to have tax friendliness, you're gonna have to sacrifice on quality of life and luxury, then guess again, places like Panama City have got you covered. So Heidi, thank you for showing us this wonderful property.
My pleasure, thank you.
And I'll see you in the next tour.
Yes.
All right.
This is an 18th century palace in Lisbon, Portugal, and it's literally one of the most elegant fine dining restaurants anywhere in Europe. And I'm going to be showing you luxury living in Portugal here, and showing you penthouses and palaces for sale that you can live in with some of the best views of the city. And taking you to an exclusive members club that you can join where old money and new money meet here in Lisbon. We're shopping for top brands along Lisbon's 5th Avenue, visiting a catamaran in Lisbon's harbor to show you how you can buy a boat here, and meeting Michelin star chefs and drinking amazing Portuguese wine to show you the good life in Lisbon. This is how to live like a king.